Now if we look at another theme, let's go ahead and close that. Let's open up Garland. Let's just look at the structure here. There's only a few CSS files. We have fix IE right to left. So this one is prefacing the IE with fix, which might be a better descriptor for what's happening because we're trying to fix bugs in IE. And then fix IE in general. We have the print, the style right to left, and the style. Now if you compare this with Bartik, Bartik is a little bit more complex in how it structures its CSS. There are layout CSS files where you don't see that here. Those are probably aggregated in with the style CSS and style RTL.css. We don't have a maintenance page, and there's not a colors.css file either. Let's go ahead and take a look at 7, which is the administrative theme. We have IE6, using the same naming conventions as Bartik used. We have jQuery UI theme.css. Now 7 overrides some of the default jQuery UI theming, and so you see this here, as well as the vertical tabs, which tackle those specific tasks. And so these are more of the task-oriented CSS files. We have reset, which is separated out into a separate file. You saw some reset happening in the Bartik theme, but let's just open this up and take a quick look at it and see just what kind of reset is occurring here. So you see some comments at the top. There are several different types of CSS resets, and most of them are based off of some example that's out there already. And you can see that this is based on Eric Meyer's Reset CSS 1.0. And as we scroll down, we see a whole slew of elements, and then we'll scroll down some more. We'll see that all of these are given a margin, padding, border, and vertical line of 0, and then a vertical line of baseline. We have some restyling for the UL and OL tags, list style none, so giving them a reset there. Giving quotes none around block quote and queue. And then as you scroll down, you'll just see that there's a bunch of resetting, basically making sure that everything is set to a basic structure using the same kind of font in various areas, as you see here with input select text area, so that we know where we're starting from as we build on top of the theme. Okay, I'm going to jump back to the style sheet directory for 7 here. We have style right to left and style vertical tabs. So again, this is simpler than Bartik as well, a little bit more complex than Garland, however, because it contains some specific theming for jQuery UI and vertical tabs.